What does failure mean in this industry? The numbers are staggering. But for us, it's very simple. We just don't fail. I am Mike Oswalt, and I formed Algorithm Incorporated. We are an implementation firm for mid-market manufacturing products, Acumatica. I started out as a CFO in manufacturing companies. One day I decided that I was going to implement software for a career instead of do accounting things. And we've grown into a position of being the elder statesman in this industry. A lot of people know our name. One of the definitions of failure in this business is failure to live up to what was promised during the sales cycle. Part of our process is empathy with the customer. Our entire sales team is built on consultants. And so when we do a sales discovery, we go deep to find out what that customer requires. And we're either going to deliver that or we're going to walk away. And we've been known to walk away from opportunities because it's not in the customer's best interest. Implementations are hard. The customers have to do their normal job while they're learning a new product. We understand it's disruptive. We've been there before. We do what we say we're going to do, on budget, on time.